let's fix my club with the latest players that are open from the latest packs. Right mid. Let's put this bloke in, Kudos. Left mid, let's take this guy out and put Matoma from Brighton. Beautiful. What else? I think I got a goalkeeper. Unai Simon. Chemistry went down because let's see if I got a. Did I get a centre back? No, I didn't. Who else did I get? These are my loanees. What about if I put Koke? Oh, actually, if I got Alvarez as a CDM, what about if I take this bloke out? And I probably need to change my formation. Oh, what am I doing? Poor Alvarez. No. I think that's it for the time being.